Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Now I'm here with a new topic. Today my topic is about the sun. It is very well known word to us. It's the powerhouse of solar system. You can say it's the battery of solar system. It gives us not only Earth, in every planet in solar system. It gives us power, and the sun is about the sun is about 15 crore kilometer far from the earth, and it is 1.3 million times bigger from the earth. And you can see if about 1.3 million earth we can fit in sun easily. And the sun is the temperature of the sun is about 57,000 degrees Celsius. And if you compare the temperature of the sun with the earth, we can see the temperature of the earth is 13.90 degrees Celsius. What is you can see the temperature, the difference between the temperature. And the sun is there is no liquid or any hard thing in sun. Sun is totally made by 55% hydrogen, 44% helium, and only 1% another resource of many types of gases. And the in sun we can see, if we see the sun by a its telescope, we can see many black spots. And that in the black spots, the temperature of sun is few. And the sun takes 84 days to take a round on its axis. And the sun is, I have explained that it's the main powerhouse of us. We can't live without this, and it's very it's very essential for us, and it's the gift of Almighty Allah to us. So we should be grateful to Almighty Allah. And that's all. No more today. Hope to see you next. Till then, stay home, stay safe, oil mask, sanitize hand. Bye.
Speaking today, focus friendly.